You want to write a launch email that doesn't feel pushy but still drives people to take action. The good news is it's absolutely possible. And in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to write one that feels natural, gets opened, and doesn't annoy your audience. Plus, I've tested the most popular tools to write these faster, and I'll share my favorite one with an exclusive free trial link in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. Now here's the trick. People hate feeling sold to, but they love being let in on something early. So instead of writing a pitch, think of it like an invitation. Use language that makes your reader feel like they're part of something exciting, something that's just starting. Start with a subject line that creates curiosity, not pressure. Think, something exciting is launching tomorrow, instead of buy now before it's gone. Keep it casual but intriguing. Your goal is to get the open, not the sale yet. Then in the first line, avoid bragging or making bold claims. Just tell them what's happening and why it matters to them. For example, we've been quietly building something for people like you, and it's finally ready. That instantly feels personal and genuine. Next, share the why behind your launch. What problem does it solve? Why did you create it? This builds connection. People respond more to your reason than to your offer. Now, when it comes time to introduce what you're launching, use phrases like, here's what we've created for you, or we'd love for you to check it out. That softens the pitch without losing clarity. You're not hiding your offer, you're just inviting them in. Sprinkle in just one or two key benefits. Not a full list, not a hard sell, just enough to make them curious enough to click. And if you're using our software to write this, you'll notice it even suggests these soft CTA phrases for you, which is a big time saver. Again, the free trial is in the description if you want to follow along with the software I recommend. End your email by giving them something to do, but without pressure. Try. If it sounds like something you'd be into, we'd love to hear what you think. It keeps the tone friendly and keeps conversions high, without the sleazy sales vibe. Here's the key takeaway. A great launch email doesn't feel like a sales letter. It feels like a conversation. Focus on invitation, not persuasion. Curiosity, not hype. Quick recap. Write a curious subject line, lead with purpose, not hype. Tell them why it matters. Introduce your offer softly. Highlight just one or two benefits. And close with a low-pressure call to action. That's the formula. If you want help writing it faster, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used. It's linked below, only for viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching. Now go launch something amazing without sounding pushy.